up, guys? So off to our first job today. We're doing some a sofa and 2 love seats. They're white fabric, so we're definitely going to be doing a rent shoe there. It's all fiber rents, so it neutralizes everything out. That way you don't get that browning. Okay, and the main thing is just not leave it over wet. So I got my mighty dry tool, so what it really does good is leave the fabric minimal as wet as possible while doing hot water extraction. And then we're going to do the two front seats of that van and the back seat, I guess. So Brenda's in there vacuuming the couches. I've rolled in there almost everything. I'm rolling my big hose there and get started. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Took the attachment off one of our older, I think it was a Shark we had. It was a pet package. So we took that off of there and attached it to the protein, because it's really good at removing dog hair, and there's a lot of dog hair on these couches. So she went through here and vacuumed everything. You got some staining here and there. So we're going to use a carpet detail. And then we're going to rinse it to all fiber rinse, propane, all fiber rinse. Hopefully everything comes out looking good. This is Mighty dry tool right here. This is what I was talking about. It's going to leave the least amount of moisture because it just recycles it right away. I am going to be upgrading to, I think, the Rotovac shear, because simply for the fact it's the same bill, but it's got a handle. These don't have handles. So if you're running a portable, I don't suggest you get one of these unless you just want to turn off this all the time, because the solution keeps running and it'll fill up your tank really quick. So with the truck mount, not too bad, because it's got bigger waste tanks. So note to yourself. So this is like a canvas type material. Not easy to clean. This is what it's all about, chemistry, guys. So make sure your chemistry is on when it comes to doing upholstery. Very rugs and stuff. Acid rinse is necessary. All right, so a lot of hair. We already back in the backside of this. Totally forgot about recording. But I told him, you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be better. And he wasn't even worried about it. Wrote me a check and just said, it is what it is, you know. So not sure what that stuff is there, but so much hair on here. You know, it's not all the hair is not gonna be removed. I'll be here forever, but we're gonna get the majority of it out, and it looks day and night already. All right, so we're gonna vacuum this up. And I apologize for not showing the couches. I just realized I didn't do I'm all finished part of this video on that. But it came out looking great. Customer's happy. Let them know. Give me a call. Any questions or concerns, like always. So it's really important, guys, if you're just starting out, even if you've been in the business for a while, just to always tell the customer, please give me a call if anything, you have any concerns. I rush right out here and address it. You know? That way they don't leave you a bad review or something because they're not happy when you could have just simply came out and fixed it. So I always make sure and I stress it, and make them feel comfortable with it, you know, because a lot of people, they just want to bother people, you know. So I don't want to call them and I'm really not happy. Even if they don't do a bad review, maybe they'll just won't use you again. But if you let them know, always helps out. See what this is right here. So you can scrub that way.
All the way down?
Okay. I believe this is gum of some sort. Alright guys, I got 2% left on this battery. I'm going to talk quick and get it done. Seat came out good. The back's got some permanent staining. Didn't really want to pay for the extra time to take that out. I did give it a first try and it would take a lot more work. A lot of gum or whatnot and some paint. It doesn't want to come out too easily with my POG. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.